All right, good morning, boys and girls, or good afternoon, depending on what time of the day you are having this day one PE class. I'm going to present, there it is, my PowerPoint. So it says PE 1214 through 1216 of 2020. This is the last week of PE before we change to 2021. So this is day one. We're doing an activity called tower toss, all right? And the unit is throwing. The standards are 1 through 5. The learning target is to respect others, have a good attitude, and do my best. And today's higher order thinking question is, how did today's learning target help you be successful? Okay, so think really hard about what all of this means. You're going to respect the other people online with Coach and respect Coach Arnold. You're going to have a good attitude, so you're going to, no matter whether you like this activity or not, try to like it, and you might have fun. And then do your best, and that helps you have fun, okay? And you'll be more successful. So think about that, and then Coach will be asking you that question at the end. All right? The activity is tower toss. So I'm going to change, it says watch as I explain today's activity. I'm going to change it where you can see me a little better, and I'm going to point my camera at my target, okay? My target are these items that I have gone and collected around the house. I'll try to point with my finger so you can see. That's not working. But anyway, yeah, I'll point with my little pointer here. So I've got my I found 4 toilet paper rolls. I found 4 pitchers in the kitchen. This is really small, but I found 4 toothpaste boxes that still have the toothpaste in them that my dentist gave me, and I found 4 cups in the kitchen. But when I stacked them, I had to turn one upside down, one right side up, one upside down, one right side up, just in case you want to try that, okay? But you can find anything in your house that you want to use for this, okay? And then, kind of giving you a choice here, I started off when I was practicing using a sock ball, but what I found was some of the items, especially those pitchers that you see back there, they're kind of heavy, so they didn't fall down when I hit them. So I just got another toilet paper roll and I'm throwing that. Of course, if you have a ball, you can use a ball. Or a stuffed animal, like I always tell you, anything you have. But you're going to find 4 different items and you're going to stack them up. So I've got 4 toilet paper rolls. I actually did make an exception here. I have 3 pitchers, and then I have 4 toothpaste boxes and 4 cups. So if you have to have 3 of something, especially if it's like this, something that's really tall, then that's fine, okay? But we're throwing for points. So here I go. I'm going to be, let me see if I can turn that so you can see me a little better and the stuff. So how's that look? That's pretty good. So I'm throwing at any tower I want. Okay, so I say 1, 2, 3. Pretend Coach Arnold's saying 1, 2, 3, ready, go. So I start going. Maybe I want to roll at the toilet paper rolls first. So I take my step and tick-tock, and I knock them. If they're leaning up against the wall like this, you can say, okay, they're down. Okay, so I put them back up. That's 4 points because I knocked down 4 things. Okay, so now maybe I want to, and of course you guys might want to scoot back a little for more of a challenge, or if it's too hard, then scoot up. Okay, I'm going to roll, step, tick, tock. That was weird. I missed my pitchers, but then it bounced off the wall and knocked down my cups. That counts. Okay, so I get, now I've got, this is how we stack our cups. So I'm going to go boom, and I'll move them over a little bit. Boom. Oh, I got to be careful with that one. Tell you what I'll do. I'll try it this way. My cups are different sizes, so if you have 4 cups of the same size, you shouldn't have this problem. But I think I've got it figured out. All right. So maybe this time I'll roll at my boxes of toothpaste. So I'm going to step, tick, tock, boom. I knocked 1. So that's 1 point. Okay. I forgot to keep up with my points, but I remember I knocked down 4, and then I knocked down 4, so that's 8, and I just knocked down 1, so that's 9. So now I will try to start you know, if I'm smart, I'll start keeping up with that a little better, okay? So what I want you to do, whether you're listening to this as a video by yourself and you want your parents or yourself to keep up with your time, or whether Coach Arnold's keeping time, I would play this for about 30 minutes, okay? So stop the recording and play this game for about 30 minutes. All right, I'm assuming you guys played for 30 minutes. How many points did you get? Oh, very good. So now we're going to close out, which means we're going to look, and I hope you thought about this, but if you didn't, you can think about it right now. We're going to look at our higher order thinking question. How did today's learning target, which was to respect others, do my best, and have a good attitude, how did that help you be successful? Okay? So think about that. How does respecting others help you with your games and with your other students that are online that remember we said you have to be nice to? And how did your attitude help? How did your doing your best? And talk to Coach Arnold about that. Or, of course, if you're just watching this as a recording, then talk to an adult that you're with and see what you come up with, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's activity. I'll see you next time for Online PE.